Introducing the U-Bank Multi-Purpose Cleaning Kit, which is an all-in-one outfit featuring a floor spray mop with 2 different heads, a window cleaning attachment, plus a fully functioning hard floor sweeper. Each attachment simply clicks into place and is easy to remove, so changing heads is so simple, making it very easy to use. Spray mops clean floors so much faster and more hygienically than the traditional bucket and mop. Ideal for use on most floor surfaces, including tiles, vinyl, wood, and stone. The large flathead is perfect for gliding across large open areas. For some areas, it is easier to use a triangular-shaped head, so simply interchange the head and continue to use. To make the U-Bank kit totally universal, there is a window cleaning head which, unlike most spray mops, can be used at any angle, even if the unit is sideways or upside down. Being able to trigger the spray means you can reach much higher to clean windows and simply squeegee them sparkling clean, either inside or out. A unique feature of this U-Bank cleaning kit is the ability to also change this into a hard floor sweeper. U-Bank have been manufacturing floor sweepers since 1888, and this is the latest development for a multi-purpose kit. Simple and quiet to use all around the home on any hard surface for fast sweep up without the need to have to get a heavy vacuum cleaner out. Easy to use and empty when finished. The U-Bank cleaning kit is the perfect way to keep your home clean from top to bottom. One kit for all those jobs around the home. U-Bank, cleaning homes since 1880.